It is a very special name to get someone love or success in love. Perhaps you don't know, even the most heartless person will fall in love with you. He will fall in love with you and love. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Before I start the video, I want to tell you that this process or this wazifa is for legitimate purpose only. Don't do this for an illegitimate purpose. And it is not permissible to do this for illegitimate purpose. The main reason for not allowing it for legitimate purpose is because it is a very special and powerful wazifa. It is a very powerful and very special wazifa for love. This process, this wazifa is for love, and if you are in love with someone or have fallen in love with someone, and if you think sometimes that you can't spend a moment without this person, you love that person a lot, and you are always lost in the thoughts of that person, but that person does not care about you, and if he does not think about you, and if he does not have any worries about you, so you don't need to worry or panic. You will get success in your love. You only have to recite two names of Allah Almighty. You only have to recite two names of Allah Almighty. Ya Wadudu, Ya Allah. Ya Wadudu, Ya Allah. Ya Wadudu, Ya Allah. Recite these two names of Allah Almighty all the time. Recite it all the time for 7 days. This dua is for 7 days. While reciting that Asmaul Husna, imagine about that person again and again and bring him in your thoughts. And do one more thing. Sometimes imagine about this person and even breathe whatever you recite to his soul. And even breathe his soul whatever you recite. Just think like me as I think like this. These two names of Allah Almighty will solve my problem. Think like this. Did you get it? Just bring this in your mind that these two names of Allah Almighty will solve your issue or problems. Ya Allah is the personal name of Allah Almighty, and Ya Wadud is the attribute name of Allah Almighty. It is a very special word for love, and it is a very special word. It is a very special name to get someone love or success in love. Perhaps you don't know, even the most heartless person will fall in love with you. He will fall in love with you and love. What do you think that? How will he love you? As he will do whatever you say. Husband and wives can do this wazifa for each other. If there is a rift between them and if there is no love between them, then this process will bring spring in their life. They will live and spend a prosperous life after this wazifa. This is the only 7-day process. Do this wazifa for only 7 days. And within 7 days, your loved one will be at your feet. And he will try to contact you. I am sure, I guaranteed you, he will try to contact you. I am requesting you once again to do this wazifa for the legitimate purpose only. If you have any question about this wazifa, or this video, and if you have any other issues, you can ask me in comments. Inshallah, we will give you a satisfactory answer and solution. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.